All right, good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to be solving the Labyrinth puzzle. Hey, Shadow. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Shadow, so check this out. We got this Labyrinth puzzle. Let's show it off real quick. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, each with its own unique puzzle to solve. And to begin, we are going to where is it? Begin here. So we have a wheel. Hey, Mac. What's up, Mac? We got the Labyrinth puzzle today. And we're gonna begin at this wheel. As you can see, there's an ST here and then a bunch of letters like tar and rat, RTA. So what we want is for it to say start. Right? Now it says start and we should get a ball to come out. You got the notification? Awesome, Mac. Finally. Ooh, okay. I see now. So the ball, it's already come through here and it went down and now we have it here. We have it on this side of the puzzle. I'm good, Mac, I'm good. How you doing? So you guys, I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but the ball is right over here. It's in here. But if I pull it back, then it falls back. But trust me, it's here. And we want to be able to bring it up now, so we got to get this out of the way. And to get this out of the way, we got to solve for these numbers that are here. And that's why we have our first clue, which is this board here. It's snowing, Shadow? Oh my goodness. I don't want to know about that. I'm so over the snow. So this has a bunch of lines and stuff going on here, and we have a little arrow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this arrow, we're gonna match it to another arrow that's here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So what we want to do is fit all these pegs into the holes. And then make sure it lines up with the arrow. Okay, so these pegs are all in the holes and this arrow matches with this arrow over here. But this has another side, so I kind of want to double check to make sure this still makes sense. Because if I can't do it like this, I'm not sure which side. It has to be this side, because the other side doesn't work. You're building a snowblower, Mac. Is it snowing in your house too? You're ready for a snowblower, or you're just getting preemptively ready? Okay, guys, so now that we have this in place, we do have like a little map to follow. So we go from here to here, to here to here, to here to here, and to here. So what's visible is a 1, a 3. So we have down. Oh my goodness. I messed it up. Okay. Okay, we're back. So this is a map. It says this is down 1. Okay? So this has to go down 1. This one goes up 3. This is 0, so it doesn't move. And then this goes down 3. Make sense? So down 1, up 1. This one actually goes up 3, and this one goes down 3. Let's see if we can remember all that. I need a pen and paper. Okay. So the first square is down 1. The next square is up 1. The next square is up 3. The last square is 0, doesn't go anywhere. And then the last, second to last, I'm sorry. Then the last one is down 3. All right? Because I can't remember all that. It's okay, Shadow. I don't want you to get sick now. So I'm gonna take this off carefully, because if I move this out of position, then I messed up my puzzle. Okay, so we're starting here at 3. We're starting here at 3, we go down 1. Okay. Starting here at, what's this? I don't know what line that is. But we're going up 1. Next one is up 3. 1, 2, 3. Almost to the top, but not quite at the top. This is 0. That stays where it's at. And then this goes down 3. 1, 2, 3. It moved a little bit, but I feel like I might have shifted something out of position. So we're gonna try this again. I feel like I did. So because this one's stuck. Okay, there you go. I shifted something out of position. Okay. So darn tricky to get these in the right holes. Hey, okay. Okay, that's what we want. Nice and stable. Nice and stable, and we're gonna try this again. Aligned with the arrow here. I don't want to shift it again. Okay. So down 1. I think this actually has to get in between the lines too. I think I was aligning it to the lines. It has to be in between the lines. Okay, up 1. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is all the way up. Before I didn't have it all the way. That stays where it is because it's 0. And then down 3. 1, 2, and 3. Not all the way down. That's gotta be it, man. Come on. Hey, there we go. So this unlocked. This is all locked, so now we can get this ball out of here. Okay, so I just moved the ball from here to here, and now it's here at the top. You see? Okay. Now we're gonna turn this, and we gotta maneuver it around. understanding a bit more. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time, Shadow, but we get there, we get there. And so we want to get this ball. Where do we want to get this ball? We need to find a hole. So there's a hole here. So we want to get the ball there. Actually, no, wait a minute. No. Get it backwards. Get it backwards. We want the ball over here. So if I did that, we're actually gonna reset the puzzle. We want it over here. On these sides. So now that it's there. We need to align these in a special orientation. Here we have symbols. We got like a cross, we got a square, we got a triangle, we got a circle, we got some other repeated ones over here. So we need to put these in order so the ball can travel through properly. And then we have these symbols over here. Same symbols over here. Okay, so this ball doesn't do anything. It just moves around freely. But for that to happen, these pieces have to be in the correct orientation. I don't know if you can appreciate it, but here we have like 3 teeth. This has a hole in the center with a little notch on the side. This has a notch on the side with the 3 teeth. This has 1 notch on the side with like a triangle in the middle. This one has another shape, and then this one has another shape. But they're all pointing in certain directions, right? So we need to be able to match these directions with what's going on here. And these symbols. So this one with the 3 teeth and the notch looks just like this. Oh, Mom's here. Hi. Hi, Mom. Joanne is in the house. So this doesn't necessarily mean to put them in the same orientation these things are, but I need to align these lines with the symbols somehow. Not sure about that. Trying to see if there was a clue that I missed somewhere. Oh, okay, because if they're pointing this way, if they're this way, then that means cross and triangle. And if they're this way, that means square and hole. Square and circle. Make sense? So this one is, what is it, parallel? So parallel is cross and triangle. So we want cross and triangle. I think. And that's even possible. Can I do that? No, I don't remember. then this one could be circle and square. Let's see if I can. I don't think I can even make that combination. Oh, it's where the notch is pointing at. So the notch here is pointing at the cross. So this one's okay. So the notch here is pointing at the cross, and then this notch is pointing to the left, and to the left is this cross. Right? And so this little notch here for the second one is pointing up, and up is a circle. Okay, that's it. Notch is a circle. This one is pointing down, south, so that means it's a square. This points to the square. This one is pointing down also, so this is also the square. Oh, went too far. Okay. This one is pointing to the right, so this is a triangle. Okay, this was already pointing to the triangle. And then this one, the last one, is pointing to a circle, and it goes this way. Okay, so now they're all aligned, and it should make my ball come to this side. There it is. We got it. We got it. So now we got to solve for this labyrinth. And here we have these crosses here. And this can actually travel in tiers, so you can bring it higher, you can bring it lower, so we need to solve now for the highs and lows here. Easily one of the most complicated labyrinth puzzles I've ever dealt with. Okay, that moved down. I kind of need this to come one level higher now. I'm sorry if you can't see some things because I need to use gravity to move it. So if you don't see the ball, I'll show you when we're done. Right now it's here, and I want to bring it over here, but I need it down. Stuck, that's not good. Did I use it? Lost the ball. Where'd he go? Oh, there it is. Oh, it was just like floating around there. Okay. Can't see it. Okay. Okay. So I got it where I wanted to with the gravity. Now it's over here. Hey, Greasy. What's up, buddy? We're back to another puzzle adventure. Okay. This is down. No, I'm still home, Greasy. I go back on the road on Tuesday. So my time is almost over. Okay. So I want to align this. I want to align this, and I want to bring the ball to this cross thing. Okay, so we got it in the little cross thing. I gotta take it off screen because I need gravity. So here's one. Then I'm gonna bring this forward. Nope. Okay. Yeah, I had a pretty good break, Greasy. Thanks, man. And I will be joining you guys for the live event. I figured I'd be able to solve this puzzle pretty quickly, so. Okay, so we're at the last point. We're down here. I just have to make the ball cross over and we're done. This gets a little stuck sometimes. Okay, so we got the ball through. We got the ball through, and now we're on this side of the puzzle. You got the skill last night? Yeah, buddy. All right, so this ball is actually going to be part of the locking mechanism. So right now, this says it's locked. And we want to move this from here to here to unlock it. And we can release this ball. So to do that, I actually need to get this ball in here because it uses this as a spring kind of lever. And that's what we're going to do next. Actually, to do that, I actually need to make a block here. I need to block this off because then I lose the ball again. And I need to make the ball. I need to make the ball come here, up here first, so I can release this one. So I have it here. I have this ball here. I gotta bring it right there in the middle and not lose it. And there's just no easy way of doing that. There is like a little notch on the wood, but if it goes too fast, then it just spins away. Very, very tricky. We gotta go as a team with that skin now, Greasy. That's a must. Oh, I had it and I lost it. now that it's trying to fall into here, I need to catch it. I need to try to catch it. No! Dang it. I wish it was an easier way to stop it, but you can't, unfortunately. There really should be a better way to put a stopper on it, but it's just not designed that way. Okay, it's right there in the middle, but if I push up, it pushes it away. Oh my god, dude. Okay. Use gravity. Make it come towards you. So now with this ball, I unlock this one ball. So this one ball is going to help me unlock this now. So I'm going to bring this ball back. Okay, now I have two. So now with this one to the side, I'll bring this ball back in here. And then I'll turn this. So now I have access to bring this ball here. And I lock it back in. Bring this ball back, and now I can turn. And now it's unlocked. And what did I unlock? I don't know. What did I unlock? This? Let me double check. Yeah, that's what I unlocked. So this is locked at this point. So once I turn here, and look what's happening. This ball is putting pressure here. This ball is putting pressure here. It's unlocked, and it releases this. Now, what did I need this for? So we have another arrow here. And we gotta align that arrow somewhere. And thank you guys for, we have 10 viewers. We got 10 viewers and only 4 likes now. So if you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, having me break my head trying to figure this out, make sure to leave a like. What did I need this for? I don't remember. Oh, okay, so here's a clue. It's a clue. It says, spin it. Spin it, and there's a direction. It says clockwise. So you guys can see that we have all these balls here, and if you try to turn it, it's not going anywhere, right? You can't turn because the balls are in the way. So we're gonna use centripetal force to make all the balls go away. And then we're gonna turn it to the left. It seems that I don't have a level surface, and it's making all the balls come back. Thank you, Greasy. Hey, there we go. We got it out. We did it, guys. And look at our prize. It's a raven. It's a raven sticker. And this is actually the real prize that comes with the puzzle. This says, spin to join Sentia Club, right? And it has these symbols over here. Let's see what happens when we spin. I think what happens is it turns like a little circle. Oh, so you guys, you can see the rings. So I remember when I did this the first time, it says spin to join Scientia Club, and this is actually a website. So you write scientia.club, and then to join, it's gonna ask you how many rings were visible in the top. So it's not these amount, it's when you spin it, how many rings are visible. Yeah. So it's pretty neat. And that's it. Now to reset it, which is not terribly fun, but it is part of the experience. When do I have to put this back to lock it? You know, whatever I did with the spinning, it got my little ball things out of the way, so that's exactly what happened. Now I can put this back, hopefully. Oh no, this doesn't want to close. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, I'll just reset this off stream. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Greasy says a great success. Thank you very much. And thank you, Mom, for hanging out. Shadow was here. Mac Builds Bricks was here. Sadi, thank you. Love you. And I will check you guys out for the next time. For the next puzzles, I'm expecting 2 new ones. We have the Houdini puzzle, which is a 2-part Houdini themed experience, and it's part of a Kickstarter project, so they've already gotten enough of the backing, and they'll be releasing those puzzles hopefully by early next year, and those will be the 2 next ones we do. So in the meantime, take care and have a great day. Love you, Greasy.